Hi guys, I just wanted to explain you about CraftMaster and online educations that we offer through CraftMaster with Phiacademy. So here is the CraftMaster application. So you just have to download it on your phone. When you log in, it'll take you to your profile page. There is an icon here, 3 lines, so you can just go in that. When you're done with registration, you're gonna have this part. It says course menu. So when you click on it, it'll take you to all the courses, or if you have one course, it'll take you there. So let's say Boldbrows education, you're gonna have this icon here. So when you click on lectures here, you're gonna have all the lectures over here. So when you click on any of them, it'll take you to all the information about that part. Let's say shape and symmetry. So you're gonna see some videos and explanation about how to do the shaping and symmetry. And then when you go back, there is 11 levels that you have to pass when you register for Boldbrows, let's say. So when you go on level 1, you're gonna be able to see what exactly, how to do the shaping on the paper. So it'll give you all the material to study. You just have to have access to internet to take this course, of course. So here is the video. So it gives you like what exactly to do with shaping. So when you're taking online course, it's very easy with this application. And then when you watch all these levels, you have to do exactly the same thing. Let's say your homework would be doing work on latex. So when you register for Boldbrows, let's say, you're gonna get a kit with that registration. So in your kit, you're gonna have all the materials that you would need, such as latex or blade, and also pigment. So you have to basically do exactly what each level asking, and then do the same thing. Let's say if level 2 asking to do head strokes, you're just doing it on the latex, taking a picture, and then send your work through this application, which is on this part. It says level. So when you go to the level, you can just send your work through that part, and then I'll receive that picture. Then if it's okay, then I'll pass you to the next level. If it's not, then I'll put some let's say sign on it, and then I'm gonna explain you what the problem is, and then you have to correct yourself. And then you actually repeat that level again, sending your work after practicing, and then you're gonna pass to the next level. So basically there is 11 level that you have to pass and then graduate. After level graduation, you're gonna receive your artist logo, as well as your certification, and you become artist of Phiacademy. So basically this is the CraftMaster and how it works. So if you have any questions when you register, I'm going online actually explaining you how to do the CraftMaster. But if you have questions, you can just call me or send me your messages through CraftMaster. You also can leave a voice message there. So we basically communicate in CraftMaster application as well. So you have 6 months access to this, and during this 6 months you can pass all these levels. Some people finish it after, let's say, 1 month, depending on your yourself. Like if you practice 1 hour a day, it's the best thing. So especially right now, because there is so much time, you have time at home, you can practice. It helps a lot. Some people finish it after 1 month, some people takes it longer. So it all depends on you. You have to do so much practice to be able to pass and graduate and become artist. So yeah, basically this is how CraftMaster works. If you are interested to register for online, you can just contact me directly, or you can go on my website and there is a registration link for online course. So you can just register there and also do your payment there. For each country, it's a little different prices. You can contact me for price. I'll send you the message directly about the pricing, but you can see it on my website as well. So this is about CraftMaster. So let me know if you're interested, and I'll be happy to help you. Thank you.